no chickens. I didn't know them all right. They like this buckwheat.
And the hiccups are not bothering
No. I don't
you.
know. It's
Nothing
too
bothers
busy.
you, does it?
Not much. Say, not much. I am a special. I'm a specialty. One of a kind. Rotten to the core. But he deserves it.
See, we were playing with the tea jug before we came over.
Yeah, emptied out of Milo's tea.
Is that bad?
You just
Is
take
that
it.
bad?
You're studying Papa really good, aren't you? You're just doing a great job.
He's very good. I saw you whispering there. I saw you whispering.
Well, the thing about this one, when he was 24 hours old, and John was down talking to him in his little cradle, and John said, you know, get him and talk to him. And this little fella looked up at me and said, you're not who I'm used to. He knew. He liked to hear it, but he was like,
Mom and
you're
Dad.
not,
You're a new voice.
you're a new voice.
Mom and Dad. That's all they
Is
want
that
for a long
not,
time. Nobody else would get that.
awesome?
Mm.
It
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, it was fun to watch.
Daddy talked to
It was just, you know,
Well,
I
you
think
just
little
call.
ones are that observant when they're
Straighten me out.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put my hat back on. No, you don't. That's right. You look like a booger with a hat on. Put that dog foot. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Put
When I
it
found
on.
these
Get it.
rugs, I wanted two alike.
What did it do?
I like them. I came around the corner. I was like, ooh, these are new.
They are new, and they're
You're
too
doing
light.
good.
That's all right.
Oh, I
My
like
Duke's
them.
gonna come
have,
help. Duke's gonna come help.
they gonna have dog tracks on them, but
Right.
it's all right. They're lighter than I wanted. Well, sit down. Maybe. No, you can't just sugar him too bad. He sugared you across your head. Oh, you got him in the eye.
Oh, now I see you, Mom. Now I see you. You didn't see it when you first made it.
There you go.
He
Not
was
distract
still-
your mind.
He was still looking at his dog.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, let's do this. Wait, wait. Let me borrow your hand.
Share your toy with him. No?
I just got that hand cleaned up when I got the fur.
I'm not bothered by much. I do get bothered
That
sometimes.
foot should be clean. Need to move on to the next one.
Dude, you have washed that foot enough, I think.
Nope. I still smell it.
Nope, it's still dirty.
Oh, 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 oh.
But Nanny, I haven't washed it enough, Nanny. Why won't you let me wash that foot some more?
That puppy likes you. Uh-huh. He's going. Look.
Back to the same foot again?
Uh-huh.
He like went over
God.
Nana's leg and in between her two thighs trying to get to that baby foot. He's like,
sweet boy. Both of you.
Say, aren't I funny, Mama?
Aren't I
so
funny?
Get mad at it. Say, hee-haw.
It looked like nearly a potty. It looked nearly like potty. Yes. Yeah.
Country river, man.
What?
Get on board.
See, but John should have just come on up. He'd have just loved looking at you. Just choke yourself.
You taught me how to blow bubbles. Watch it cooking. Or she's stretching.
Does a stretchy kitty, huh?
What's Kitty doing? Come here, Kitty. Come here. What's that
Oh,
kitty
look
doing?
at
She
the
give me
baby.
kisses.
Comes
She give
Indiana.
me kisses. She give me kisses. Indy give me kisses too.
And Cookie's coming back.
goodness. Oh goodness. Now Cookie wants to see you. Oh, Cookie wants lovin's. Oh, Cookie needs scratchings. Yeah. Cookie needs some scratchings.
What was that?
Oh, the garage. Oh, Cookie purring. Yeah, she does look like a sugar cookie. There
Oh,
she goes. She heard
She
Corey.
gone. She gone.
All right. Come on, you just go inside.